What's up, y'all? We are back on our Big Dog Motorcycles chopper. I can't get rid of this thing. I hate it. I absolutely hate it. I can't give it away. I got it for sale cheap and thought I had it sold, and the starter decided to quit working the other day. So we're just going to do a quick video on this one on how to replace the starter on your Big Dog Chopper. If you have one, I hope you don't, because they suck. So first, you're going to go ahead and start by draining out the primary oil, which we already started doing. And then we'll go ahead and take off the positive part of this battery. Or negative too, doesn't matter. Once it's disconnected, it's disconnected, doesn't matter. Then we can go ahead and pull off our primary cover. The reason we have to do that is there's one bolt that goes through the middle of the starter jack shaft that we have to get out. So we'll go ahead and pull all these dudes off. They are 3/16 Allens, I believe. And some are shorter than others, so kind of keep them in place where they come off at. And I would love to be doing this on my lift, except it's too long for my lift, so we're just doing it on the ground. We're about to make a little bit of a mess, but that is okay. There's our bolt. It's got a little locking tab on it. Usually you can just bend that dude out of the way. We'll go ahead and zip this dude off. We'll leave it like that. And then we put our new starter in. We'll just feed it in there and start it back up. Let's go to the other side. So we have 2 quarter drive Allens to go through there. Just going to break them loose by hand first. Make sure my battery didn't come back together up there. Right, then we'll get our positive cable off of there. Then we can take our cable off, and I already unplugged our starter trigger cable, and this dude should just slide right on out. Hopefully. Nope. Our ground cable is still connected to the mounting bolt. Bingo. All right. We tapped it on this side over here. And we'll switch over our coupler. Sometimes it stays in the primary, sometimes it doesn't. In this case it didn't. And do keep in mind which way it comes off, because it won't work if it goes on backwards. I was smart right now. I'll go ahead and disconnect the ground side of the battery cable, but I'm not doing that. Now we just thread our bolts back in here. Now we're going to feed our bolt to our ground strap. Just going to double check this one snug. Alright, and drop my socket again. That up. And back to the primary side, we'll go put it back together. And I'm sure there's like a exact torque spec on here, but I'm not doing that because I've never had a problem with it before. Then we'll tighten up our lock tab here. Bingo. I think you're supposed to replace that every time, but I'm not doing that. And we can slide our, that's everything, right? I didn't loosen anything else up, right?
Mm-hmm.
That dude goes on there.
Sometimes it's hard, but believe me, I'm here for the ride. Better bring me off something, better bring me off something, before this gets too far. Better think of something, better think of something. I know you better than you think. You know yourself, the truth is you're a mess. Painting with
Don't forget to put your drain plug in before you start filling it up. Definitely done that many times.
out of time. Better bring me off something, better bring me off something before.
Alright, now we'll go ahead and pull off our derby cover, fill it back up, and see if it works.
Running out of time. Better bring me off something, better bring me off something before this gets.
So our primary oil is actually really clean, so I'm just going to reuse it.
Sometimes it's hard, but believe me, I'm here for the ride. Better bring me off something, better bring me off something before this gets too far. Better think of something, better think of something. I know you better than you think. You know yourself, the truth is you're a mess. Painting with a field set, it never works. Punching holes again.
Alright, we'll go ahead and hook our battery back up and see if she runs.
Too far. Better tell me something, better tell me something. I know you better than you think. You know yourself, the truth is you're a mess. Painting.
What do you think, Mel? You gonna start?
Mm-hmm. Most definitely.
All right, this thing's ready for its new home. Hopefully the guy's coming to pick it up now that the starter works and everything, but I'm ready to get this one out of my life and start moving on to some new projects. Thanks for watching our short video. Please continue to like, share, and subscribe. We appreciate it much.